with Abina. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe for more videos. Thank you. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make a very simple yet healthy breakfast smoothie at home. In this recipe, you will need 1 large banana, an apple, some strawberries, ice cubes, honey to taste, a cup of milk, and then yogurt. With the yogurt, you can either use plain or Greek yogurt. So for me, making healthy smoothies is one of the ways to enjoy our fruits and vegetables. Drinking healthy smoothies helps with digestion, controls cravings, and also boosts our immune system. So in making our smoothies, I'm going to start by adding our liquid base, and then I'll add my ice cubes. There goes my banana. Then my strawberries. I'll then slice my apple into pieces. And add it. I'll then add my Greek yogurt. Honey for some taste. With the honey, you can add any amount. I love sweet things, you know. And then blend. So here we go, we are done. It tastes very, very nice. So that will be all for today's episode. Please try this recipe and then let me know what you think. Before I go, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe for more videos. By the way, the smoothie is very, very nice. Don't forget to try it. Have a nice day. Bye.